Yo, what's up everybody? It's your man, Stephen Wallace here. And today, we're diving headfirst into the heart of Orlando. But hold up, before you click away, trust me, this one's different. We're uncovering hidden gems, local favorites, the stuff most tourists miss. We're here to explore the whole thing, from mind-blowing science to chilled-out parks. Get ready to see Orlando in a new light. Oh, and stick around because you won't want to miss this. Let's kick things off with a launch. The Orlando Science Center is a full-on experience. Walk under massive rockets, step into space capsules, and feel the rush. It's humbling, inspiring, and mind-blowing. Spend a day lost in exhibits, planetarium shows, and space artifacts. And it's not just for kids. Whether you're a space enthusiast or just curious, this place will leave you speechless. Next up, we're diving into a world of wonder at the Orlando Science Center. This place is all about hands-on learning, which means you're not just looking at exhibits, you're interacting with them. Ever wanted to build a robot, experiment with gravity, or create a tornado in a bottle? Well, here's your chance. It's the kind of place where curiosity runs wild, and you leave feeling like you've unlocked some secret knowledge. Plus, they've always got something new happening, from mind-bending exhibits to live demonstrations that'll make your jaw drop. If you're looking for a family-friendly adventure that's both educational and entertaining, this is it. Escape to the tranquility of Lake Eola Park. Located in downtown Orlando, it's a breath of fresh air. Stroll along the water's edge with the iconic fountain and sunset, rent a swan boat, have a picnic, or just people watch. Even in a bustling city, there's room for peace and quiet. Harry P. Leu Gardens, a botanical paradise. Step into a world of natural beauty at the Harry P. Leu Gardens. This 50-acre paradise is a feast for the senses, with vibrant flowers, lush greenery, and hidden pathways. Marvel at the diversity of plant life from around the world. It's like stepping into a living, breathing work of art. Don't miss the historic Loy House Museum, a glimpse into Orlando's past. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or just looking for a peaceful escape, the Harry P. Leu Gardens is a must-see. Icon Park, soar above the city. All right, thrill seekers? This one's for you. Icon Park's 400-foot observation wheel offers breathtaking views of Orlando. As you ascend, the city unfolds, revealing theme parks, lakes, and greenery. It's an unforgettable experience. But there's more to Icon Park. Visit Madame Tussauds Sea Life Aquarium and enjoy restaurants and shops. Fun for the whole family. Charles Hosmer Morse Museum, a Tiffany treasure trove, calling all art lovers. The Charles Hosmer Morse Museum of American Art is a hidden gem tucked away in Winter Park, just outside of Orlando. This place houses the most comprehensive collection of works by Louis Comfort Tiffany, the mastermind behind those iconic stained glass lamps and windows. Prepare to be mesmerized by the intricate details, vibrant colors, and sheer artistry of Tiffany's creations. From lamps and windows to jewelry and pottery, the museum showcases the full range of Tiffany's genius. It's a feast for the eyes and a testament to the enduring power of art. Orlando Museum of Art, a cultural journey. Next up, we're diving into the world of art at the Orlando Museum of Art. This cultural hub showcases diverse art from around the world in different time periods. From ancient artifacts to contemporary masterpieces, there's something for everyone. The museum hosts traveling exhibitions, so there's always something new. Winter Park's Park Avenue shop, dine, and stroll. Get ready to experience the charm of Winter Park, a picturesque area just outside of Orlando. Park Avenue is the heart of it all, a tree-lined street brimming with boutique shops, art galleries, and restaurants that'll tantalize your taste buds. Spend an afternoon browsing unique finds, indulging in delicious food, and soaking in the sophisticated yet laid-back vibe of this charming district. And don't miss the Saturday morning Winter Park Farmers Market, a local favorite where you can find fresh produce, artisanal goods, and a true sense of community. Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour, a unique perspective. Experience Winter Park from a whole new perspective with a scenic boat tour through its beautiful lakes and canals. As you glide along the water, you'll be treated to stunning views of historic homes, lush landscapes, and the local wildlife that call this area home. It's a relaxing and informative way to see a different side of Winter Park and appreciate its natural beauty. Keep an eye out for alligators, turtles, and birds as you cruise along the waterways. And it's an experience that's both peaceful and unforgettable. Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts, a night of entertainment. Get ready for a night of unforgettable entertainment at the Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts. This state-of-the-art venue in downtown Orlando hosts a wide variety of performances, from Broadway shows and concerts to ballet and opera. The acoustics are top-notch, the atmosphere is electric, and the talent on stage is world-class. Whether you're a seasoned theater goer or just looking for a special night out, the Dr. Phillips Centers is the place to be. Check their website for upcoming shows and book your tickets in advance. You won't regret it. Orlando Brewing Company. Cheers to local brews, calling all craft beer enthusiasts. The Orlando Brewing Company is a must-visit for anyone who appreciates a good, locally brewed beer. This independent brewery offers a wide variety of organic, handcrafted beers that are sure to please even the most discerning palate. Take a brewery tour to see how the magic happens, sample their latest creations, and find your new favorite brew. They also host live music and events, so check their calendar for upcoming happenings. It's a great spot to relax, unwind, and raise a glass to local flavor. All right, Space Cadets, get ready for an out-of-this-world experience at the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex on Merritt Island. This is where history and the future of space exploration collide. Walk under towering rockets, step inside actual space capsules, and learn about the pioneers who dared to dream of reaching for the stars. Highlights include the Space Shuttle Atlantis, the Apollo Saturn V Center, astronaut encounters, and a whole bunch of interactive exhibits that'll make you feel like you're actually in space. This is a full-day adventure that's both educational and awe-inspiring. Get ready for a thrilling adventure through the Florida Everglades on a Boggy Creek airboat ride. Hop aboard an airboat and hold on tight as you zoom across the water, the wind whipping through your hair. You'll be surrounded by the natural beauty of the Everglades, with its sawgrass, marshes, cypress, swamps, and diverse wildlife. Keep an eye out for alligators, turtles, birds, and other creatures that call this unique ecosystem home. It's an experience that's both exhilarating and educational. And if you're feeling adventurous, opt for the optional Southern-style meal to complete your Everglades experience. Get ready for a night of Polynesian culture, music, and food at the Polynesian Fire Luau in Orlando. Immerse yourself in the vibrant traditions of the Pacific Islands as you enjoy a delicious island-inspired dinner and witness a spectacular live show. The performers will captivate you with traditional Polynesian music, energetic hula dancing, and a breathtaking fire knife performance that'll leave you speechless. It's a feast for the senses and a celebration of Polynesian culture that's fun for the whole family. So there you have it, my friends, a glimpse into the heart and soul of Orlando beyond the theme parks. From mind-blowing science and serene gardens to thrilling airboat rides and cultural extravaganzas, Orlando has something for everyone. Remember, this is just a taste of what awaits. Now it's your turn to grab your camera, pack your bags, and go create your own Orlando adventure. And hey, if you want more info on any of these awesome spots, check out the links in the description below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep living life to the fullest. Peace out.